everyone, welcome back to STDEV.P. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find a standard deviation in Excel. So let's get into the video. First, open your Excel workbook that contains the data for which you want to calculate the standard deviation. Now go to the Formula tab and from the right corner, click on Insert Function. A box will appear. From this box, select STDEV. It stands for the standard deviation. Now click on OK and specify the range of cells that contains your data. For example, we are selecting B2 to B5. Now press enter. That's it. Repeat these steps for any other datasets or columns you want to calculate the standard deviation. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.